Hi friends, today I will show you that how to repair a corrupted pen drive, SD card and external hard disk with help of CMD. First of all, you can see that I have a pen drive named Kasana and it is corrupted. So first of all, format it. Go to format option by right click it, click start, then OK. It will take some 2 or 3 minutes, then it completed. Close it. Then we will search CMD in run option, run command by, then here we will type CMD open tab, then click OK. You will find a window is open. This is called CMD window. Here you have to type this part and then click enter. It's asked, your computer will ask for this and click it. Then here you have to click list. Click here LIST disk. Then you will see there are 3 disks. Then we will here type select disk 1. You will see disk 1 is selected. Then click here clean. It is cleaning. This pass succeeding cleaning the disk. Then we will create partition. Create PART partition primary. Click enter. Then this part is creating the specified partition. Now you have to type active. This part mark the current partition as active. Then now select the partition. Well, then we will type select partition 1. Partition 1 is now selected. Now format it. Now we will type format FS FAT32. It will take 30 to 40 minutes in formatting, so I am pausing. You can see that the Kasana is formatting. That it will take 2 or 3. Oh, sorry. It will take 30 to 40 minutes in formatting, so you can wait. Now it is successfully formatted. Then click type exit. The window will close. And here also type exit. Open this computer. Now you can see that this is fully formatted. You can copy anything here, like I will copy some songs like copy. Go to this. This is done. This is done. Please like this video and comment in comment box and subscribe my channel. Thank you.